So, today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make something sharp with this stick. I'm going to cut it with this pocket knife. And how I'm going to do that is first, I need to get all this skin off. See the strangly stuff. Because that makes it harder for you to cut the thing, so you have to get it off. It's not good. Get it off like that. Might take a while, but it's gonna do it. And once you do that, you need to do some things. What you need to do is you need to cut it so that it's sharp on one side. So what I'm going to do, make it sharp on this side. Okay? So that might take a while. You use for that, to cut it, to make it sharp, you use that. Okay? Not that, that. That you use for taking off skin. That you use for cutting off branch. Okay? Let's get started. As you can see, I already did some. But that doesn't matter. So, if you're wondering why I'm here and it's a school day, well, I'm sick. Pretty sick. But, yeah. So I can't go to school. So I'm doing this YouTube video. So, once you do that, it will look pretty good. You need to get a lot off. You need it to be really well done. Really, really sharp. Sharp enough that you can feel it. So, it might take a while, but it's gonna be worth it. It'll just be non-stop cutting. We might do another YouTube video of something different on Minecraft. Let me know what you want to do a YouTube video in the comment section below. Okay? And also, don't forget to drop a like. Let's see if we can get, 20,000 likes for this video. That would be a big
20 likes would be nice.
Just thank you. It would be super nice. I want to try and get enough money. I don't know what I'm going to do with the money. Just watch it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment in the comment section below. Okay? And check my dad out. I'm doing it on my dad's channel. So check it out. Happy Rex YouTube. Okay?
How's your stick?
My stick is almost done. Okay? Just let me get a little bit more off. And my dad is the one who's holding the camera. So say hello to the camera, Daddy.
Hello, camera.
No, sure, so. With the camera.
Yeah.
Flip it.
Hello.
So, this, it'll take longer, but it'll basically look like this. Like this when you're done. Now, come with me. Now, we need to venture into our garage to get a saw to cut it off. Okay, come on. My dad just needs to unlock this for me. 'Cause obviously, I don't have
It's unlocked
keys.
already.
Okay. Apparently, super dumb. And I forgot that I was unlocked. So, let me get. Okay. Got a saw. Now, let's come back with me. Come on. Don't be afraid. Look at our new trampoline that we just got yesterday. Pretty sweet, eh? So, this saw we use cut off there. Now, this is going to be difficult. So, I'm gonna.
Just put it on the side here.
So, what I'm gonna do. Ow!
Okay.
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna swap with my dad. So, my dad is gonna cut this, and I am gonna hold it. Hold on to that. Okay, how are you gonna do this? Okay, there. Yeah, my dad's gonna cut it there. Don't worry, that isn't the best graphics. We're outside and we're using a iPad, so yeah. Good. Pick it up. And that is what you call a spear. A sharp stick. See how well it works. Works pretty well. I mean, for wood, come at you.
Is that it?
And if we get 20,000 likes on this video, I'll do a try not to laugh video. You know what? Screw that. Comment on this. Tell me what you want to do in the comment section below, and what you do, what you tell us, we will do. Bye bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.